guys, Super Ultra here. Today we're doing some more Yu-Gi-Oh! Mail opening. So let's see what we got. What cards came in mail today? What my copy of One Shot One came in the mail. Finally got One Shot One for my Yuma deck. Let's see what's in the other one. And we got the Fun of Hell Help Princess. Oh, also, my copy of Ball Blader came in the mail as well. Let me just show that to you guys really quick. See? My copy of Ball Blader came in the mail as well. But yeah. That's for my Yuma deck. And yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.